Imagine a place where the ground mirrors the sky, making you feel like you're walking on clouds, or a fiery pit that's been burning for over 50 years, known as the door to hell. Sounds unbelievable, right? Our world is full of strange and incredible places. Today we're diving into the 10 most strangest places on Earth. Get ready for a wild ride through nature's most bizarre and fascinating wonders. Buckle up, it's gonna be fun. Number 1. Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is the world's largest salt flat, creating an otherworldly landscape. When it rains, the salt flat turns into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky and creating a surreal experience of walking on clouds. Beneath this stunning surface lies one of the world's largest lithium reserves, crucial for modern batteries, making it a hidden technological treasure. During the dry season, visitors can see the famous salt hexagons, naturally formed geometric patterns that look like they were carved by an artist. These hexagons, along with the mirror effect, make Salar de Uyuni a photographer's paradise and a must-visit destination for anyone fascinated by nature's wonders. Number 2. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. The Door to Hell in Turkmenistan is a burning crater in the middle of the Karakum Desert that has been on fire for over 50 years. This fiery pit was created by accident in 1971 when Soviet geologists were drilling for natural gas and the ground collapsed. To prevent the spread of methane gas, they set it on fire, expecting it to burn out in just a few days, but it continues to burn to this day. The sight of this burning crater is both eerie and mesmerizing, attracting adventurous travelers from around the world. The Door to Hell offers a glimpse into the powerful forces beneath the Earth's surface, making it a fascinating, if somewhat ominous, destination. Number 3. Fly Geyser, Nevada, USA. Fly Geyser in Nevada, USA looks like something from another planet, with its vibrant colors and steaming hot water. It was accidentally created in 1964 during well drilling, and the geothermal water started to spew out, creating the geyser over the years. The mineral deposits combined with thermophilic algae have painted it in brilliant shades of red and green. The Fly Geyser is not open to the public, but you can see it on guided tours. This hidden gem is one of those rare places that not many people know about, making it even more special when you get to witness its unique beauty. Number 4. Pamukkale, Turkey. Pamukkale, which means cotton castle in Turkish, is famous for its stunning white terraces made of travertine, a form of limestone deposited by mineral-rich hot springs. The terraces look like a frozen waterfall, but they're actually warm and soft to the touch. People have been bathing in these hot springs for thousands of years, believing in their healing properties. Nearby, the ancient city of Hierapolis, built by the Romans, offers additional historic intrigue. You can swim in the ancient pools where Cleopatra herself is said to have bathed, adding a touch of royal luxury to this already extraordinary experience. Number 5. The Wave, Arizona, USA. The Wave in Arizona, USA is a stunning sandstone formation that looks like a giant frozen wave. Famous for its colorful, undulating patterns, it is a photographer's paradise. Only 20 people are allowed to visit each day to preserve its beauty. So if you want to see it, you'll need to enter a lottery. This place is over 190 million years old, and the wave-like patterns were created by wind erosion. Walking through the wave feels like stepping into a natural masterpiece, carved out by nature over millions of years, making it an unforgettable adventure. Number 6. Blood Falls, Antarctica. Blood Falls in Antarctica is a waterfall that looks like it's bleeding, flowing from the Taylor Glacier. The red color comes from iron oxide or rust in the water. This salty iron-rich water is over 1 million years old and has been trapped under the glacier, isolated from the atmosphere. Scientists believe that studying this ancient water can give us clues about our life on other planets like Mars. Blood Falls is a fascinating example of how a remote and unhospitable place can hold secrets that expand our understanding of life and the universe. Number 7. The Crooked Forest, Poland. The Crooked Forest in Poland is filled with about 400 pine trees, all with an unusual and identical 90-degree bend at the base of their trunks. Theories about how they got this way include unique gravitational pull and human intervention. The most likely explanation is that farmers manipulated the trees in the 30s to make carved timber for furniture or shipbuilding. Walking through this forest feels like stepping into a fairy tale, with bent trees creating a whimsical and eerie atmosphere. The true reason for their shape remains a mystery, adding to the enchantment of this unique natural wonder. Number 8. Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. The Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland is made up of about 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, the result of an ancient volcanic eruption. According to legend, the columns are the remains of a causeway built by a giant named Finn McCool. Scientists explain that these perfectly hexagonal columns were formed by the rapid cooling of lava. You can even see the Giant's Boot, a large stone shaped like a boot, adding to the mystical feel of the place. Whether you believe in giants or geology, the Giant's Causeway is a sight to behold and a testament to the power of natural forces. Number 9. Mount Roraima, Venezuela. Mount Roraima in Venezuela is a tabletop mountain, or tepu, that looks like it's straight out of a science fiction movie. Often surrounded by clouds, it has a floating island appearance. The indigenous people believe that its stump of mighty tree that was once held all the fruits and vegetables in the world. The top of Mount Roraima is a unique ecosystem, home to plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. The mountain inspired Arthur Conan Doyle's novel The Lost World, and adventurers who make it to the top are rewarded with breathtaking views and a sense of stepping back in time. Number 10. Spotted Lake, Canada. Spotted Lake in British Columbia, Canada is one of the world's most unusual lakes. During the summer, the water evaporates and leaves behind large mineral deposits, creating colorful spots on the lake's surface. These spots are rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium, and sodium sulfates. The local Okanagan people consider Spotted Lake sacred and believe it has healing properties. This unique and visually stunning lake is a testament to the incredible and diverse natural wonders that can be found around the world. And there you have it, folks. These are the 10 most strangest places on Earth. Each one is a reminder of just how incredible and diverse our planet is. Whether it's a mirror-like salt flat, a fiery crater, or a bleeding waterfall, these places challenge our understanding and fill us with wonder.